If you've been to Smith Galleries in the last 37 years, you have seen Ed Levin Jewelry. We have carried Ed Levin for our entire tenure here on Hilton Head. 2 or 3 times a year, they send out a collection of new designs. And we just got the summer collection, and I want to share it with you. I haven't even seen it yet. I have seen a couple of pictures, but let's see what we have. I call Ed Levin Jewelry Contemporary Classics because the designs are good. Some of the designs have been made, this is their 75th year, some of them have been made nearly that long. I have customers all the time saying, well, I've worn this bracelet for 40 years. I've worn this bracelet for 25 years. It's my favorite bracelet. So, those are 2 special order bracelets. All right, this is, they send this, it's a limited time engagement. I get to look at it, see what I like and want to keep, and if I'm not that crazy about it, I get to send it back. So we're gonna look at these one by one. This is a ring. Now, I believe, let me get this out of here. Ed Levin used to do just a whole lot of rings, and they don't do as many now. This one is silver, and those are little diamonds. It's called the Aurora, and in silver, and that is $575. This one happens to be a size 7. Very pretty. All right, let's see what's next. We're starting with the small pieces here on top. This is a bracelet. It also has a diamond. You can see they're famous for their openings. That you open it like that and put your hand through it. So the bracelet has to fit the fist. And for me, that's hard because mine's very large. But this one has a single diamond in it. It's called the icicle. I can't read it. I'm afraid to say what I think it, without looking at the, I think it's $375, but.
I think that's what it is.
Okay. All right, here's another bracelet. This one is called the Gem Slide. This one has a light blue topaz. Oh, I like this. I like the way this is angled. Again, see how that slides? And this one is the blue topaz. This is a ladies medium, and this one is $510. Earrings, Diva. This is a peridot. They're sterling silver, hammered. You can see the hammering causes a lot of good reflection. It makes an earring really sparkle. The Diva is $400. This is called Vineyard. This is all silver. Now we have had this in a necklace that had the swing part in 14 karat gold. You can see it's a long, skinny earring. This one is $245 in all silver. Now all of the Ed Levin pieces that I show you in silver are available in combinations of silver and gold or in 14 karat gold. And the ones with stones very frequently are available with other stones. This is called Folio. Again, it's a sterling silver earring. It has sort of, looks like a leaf. This one is $265. Next we have a pendant or necklace, and this one is 18 inches in length. They're well wrapped, and sometimes the bags fight me. All right. Get this. Okay, it's long. And let's see if I have it. Okay. Get it turned around right. There is a little diamond at the end. Okay, so this would lie like this. And this one is $365, the 18-inch chain. One thing I like about Ed Levin necklaces is their closure. It is really easy to close. It's secure, but it's much easier to close than most closures.
Tell me if I'm out of focus in there when
All right, now we have a pendant. This is called, well, it's called diamond. And it is a combination, I'm going to lay this out because it's easier to see. It's a combination of 14 karat gold in the center circle, and then the outer circle is sterling silver. And again, it has a little diamond. I think that the theme for this collection is diamonds because this is their diamond anniversary. This particular pendant, $365. I'm looking at it upside down.
Yep.
But I think that's the general theme for this. All right, one more. This is really pretty. Make a little space here so you can see it. Sterling silver. This is a faceted peridot in there. It's very pale green. It's 18 inches in length, and it is $520. It's called Flora because that looks like a flower. That is summer collection. I hope you enjoyed it, and I only have the whole collection for a few days until I decide which pieces I think I have to keep. So if there's one that, let us know what your favorite one is. Drop us an email. Let us know which one you think's the prettiest. We're here 10 to 5 in the gallery, Monday through Saturday. Our phone number is 843-842-2280, or give us a call. We'd be glad to hear from you.